Right, this is a positioning system, and then here you have a burger menu, and then on the right you're going to see the landing. So they're taking off. This is our other screen with a map, and you can see the green outline. That's the GPS track.
Thorough Beach is just over here.
And we are over here. And this here is Sebastian. We're going to go back up after. Well, not we, but Mike and the crew will go up here after. Now they're going down here to Vera. To be clear, on this runway, nothing has been trained. Zero.
And also, like, it's not like it's learning right now. So the fact that it did one, basically the second approach from having done the first one in any way.
This is the 8-degree glide slope.
This is extremely steep. So maybe I'll start on the top left, which is this glide slope and horizontal deviation. And this is basically derived. So basically the way it works is that our current position relative to the runway is estimated by the neural network. And then based on this position, basically we can draw, or we can determine what the angle, the vertical and the horizontal deviation angle from the runway threshold are. And that's what's displayed on the top left.
The sunset is in 20 minutes.
Now we can clearly see the patio lights on the side. One red, one white.
Sunset is in 5 minutes. So it seems like this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 6. That was landing number 6 on this runway. So we're going on to the final now, and it's 7:38. So the sun will be set in 30 seconds. So as you can see, it's very dark now. Once it captures it, still draws a pretty good bounding box around it.